Hello everyone, and welcome to Daily Fix Guide. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to change your Yahoo Mail password. So this guide is for when you already know your current password, but want to update it for better security. I'll be doing this on a PC, but the steps are very similar if you're using a mobile browser as well. Simply open your web browser and go to mail.yahoo.com. Then hit enter and make sure that you're already signed in to your Yahoo Mail. Now, once you're in your inbox, you need to go to your main account settings. And here's how to do it. So look at your profile name at the top right corner of your page. And here you will find the option called Account Info. Simply click on that. Now, after that, your account page should open up in a new browser tab, as you can see here. So this is the Yahoo Account Management page. This is where you can control all the settings of your Yahoo account. Now, what you do on this page is look for a menu that says Change Password, which you can see at the very bottom. If you simply scroll down a little, now click on that. And here, all you have to do is simply enter a new password, and then after entering your password, and if it is strong, which you can see here, click on Continue. And then, as you can see, the password is changed. You will see a confirmation message on your screen saying your password has been successfully changed and your account is now secure with a newly updated password. So I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and subscribe to the channel for more helpful videos. So thank you for watching, and take care.